At the end of any year, a car is worth 5% less than what it was worth at the beginning of the year. So it loses value, 5% less. If a car is worth 9,500 in December 2016, then its value in January was, alright, the year starts at January, February, March, April, May, and so on and so forth, going down to December. It's worth 9,500 in December, right? I'm not putting the dollar signs in the rough work. I don't want to crowd it too much. In January, what was its value? Call it X. Now remember, it's 5% less. The value is decreasing. So here, this is more than 9,500, just as a reminder. Now, a mistake that students might make is to find 5% of 9,500 and add it to 9,500 in an attempt to get what it was valued in January, but that's a mistake, because 5% of 9,500 is a certain value. What it was valued in January was not 9,500. It's a different value, and 5% of that is different from 5% of 9,500. Alright? What you have to do is this. You're going to say X, whatever that is. Alright? Now, here, the value is deteriorating, so whatever it was valued in January would be more than the 9,500. So, X, the value in January, minus the 5% of X, right, would be equal to 9,500. So the value in January, it reduces by 5%. So you minus 5% of the value in January, which I call X, and it adds up to 9,500. Now this is really 1x minus 5 over 100. This is your 0.05. Your 0.05x equals 9,500. So it's 100% x minus 5% x gives you 0.95% x equals 9,500. Alright? So in this case now, let's divide by 0.95 to get x alone. If you divide by 0.95, cancel and leave x alone. Or if you divide the left hand side by 0.95, you must divide the right hand side by 0.95 as well. X is 9,500 over 0.95. Right, in our calculation, let's not deal with the point business. Let's multiply this by 100 and multiply the top by 100 too. Right? The number will look different, but it's the same value. 100 over 100 is 1 enough. Right? So here now, 9,500 times 100, you add 2 more zeros, divided by 0.95 by 100 is 95. And then you cancel down. What you get is 1 and 4 zeros. 1 and 4 zeros. So the value would be $10,000. So in this case, the answer is B.